What's his name again?
Imo.
Imo. Yeah, Imo. Yeah, don't eat my finger, eat the watermelon. There you go. Does he just lick it? Or is it gonna...
No, he will eat it too. Gracias, it's so delicious. You take a video?
Yeah.
He's cute, isn't he?
Yeah. He keeps licking my finger and then realizing it's not watermelon. There we go.
Oh my god, Cooper, you're hilarious. Coopy's having fun, huh? Hi, Coop. You love it, huh? Give me another push. There you go. Oh god, you're scaring me. You want to get down? Okay.
Are you taunting her? Monty? Look at the tail. Hi. Hi. Oh, what a cutie, Monty. Oh, don't bite at me. Monty's tail really flapping now. I'm surprised Monty's not trying to move.
Waffles is just beating her up.
Hey, what's wrong? Hi, what a